Hey, what's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I posted any videos on the update with this Acura, this 2008 Acura TSX build. If you can see, I've been busy. Behind me here, we've got some tires. I've been busy getting parts, man. Been busy getting parts. I'm gonna show you kind of where we are right now. If you can see here, I picked up a set of these great condition wheels, and if you can see, I got these from bestusedtires.com. Looked up my specs, sizes, all that good stuff. Tires came real quick, great price. It's a great option for anybody that's looking to get some used tires. Highly recommend them. Tires came in really good shape and they're ready to get mounted. I can't wait to actually get them mounted. So let's go ahead and take a look in the vehicle. So this was our nasty, disgusting interior. I've been working on getting the smell out. So I put baking soda in there. It's been sitting in there for quite some time now. Here's one of the products that I use, Ozium. This is a great product. The first time I used it, I was just shocked at how good the product works. There's actually a new product I bought, and I don't see it out here. I'm gonna have to run and go get that real quick. Hang tight, folks. All right, so this is also a new product that I bought that I'm gonna give a shot. It is pretty evident that the owner of this vehicle was a pretty avid smoker. So we're gonna try the best that we can to get the smells out of this vehicle. So, you know, as a starter, been using the good old baking soda to help absorb some of those smells. But let's go ahead and give you an update on some of the other stuff we got going here. So I've been busy checking out the junkyard, grabbing stuff. I think we're probably gonna have to replace this battery because where's that battery? And by the way, I'm using my iPhone 8 Plus to see how realistic and reasonable it is to actually use your cell phone as a regular recording device. But this battery here, I'm guessing, is gonna need to be replaced. I've had it hooked up here to my little Viking unit. This is a great unit. I got this at Harbor Freight. It works really good. Harbor Freight always has coupons, so you can grab a coupon and you know, get a good deal on something. But I have a suspicion that battery is gonna have to get replaced. So where do we start? Where do we start? I got another product here that I want to try out. This is the Turtle Wax Odor X. It's also a, it's this, what do they call it? Whole car blaster. It's kind of like, you know, the stuff that you use to get rid of insects in your house in a sense. But it's one of those little cans, you depress the button, you put it inside the vehicle, and you just let it go to work. So I'm excited to try that to see if it actually works. Here's my new dipstick that I ordered that seemed to take forever, but finally got it. This is the state of the old dipstick. You can see there that that piece is busted off when I pulled it out. Down in there, let's see if we can get you to see that. Down in here, it's almost like it's rusted. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that thing cleaned up so that the dipstick will actually go down in there without so much force, because the force is what actually broke off that plastic piece there. Also picked up this sensor here from my local junkyard. I mean, when you're looking for parts, check your local junkyard. We've got a pull apart out here, and so I went there and I got you know, my little membership, and I've been going to town finding my parts here and there. Here is the reservoir that is going to be used to replace the busted one. I've also got, right there, I've got the a fresh new bottle of antifreeze I just picked up. Also got some new spark plugs to install in there. These are the stock ones that were actually installed in the vehicle. There's two of them. I decided to choose this one. Got a fresh bottle of Valvoline 5W30 oil. Get that thing cleaned up. Man, I mean, that's kind of where we are. Then down here we got a new windshield fluid reservoir that I picked up at the junkyard. Also a great deal. Picked up some power steering fluid. Get that going. I've also had this bottle here of Lucas. I figure I can just, pour that in there. It won't hurt anything because we don't really know the state of the vehicle. Also picked up this OxyClean Total Interior Cleaner to kind of get the car smelling good again. I mean, it needs a lot of work. And I think this might be the last one here. I've got an engine repair, restores performance. I never owned this vehicle before, so when I get a new car, I like to give it my treatment so I know it's been taken care of. So we're going to give this Bars Leaks product a try, see how that works. I've started the car off and on over time, and it seems to be running okay. It idles pretty quiet. I'm excited to get these tires installed. So I guess the next video, this car should probably be on standing up tall with the power steering pump running, 4 tires installed, and hopefully be able to take it out for a drive. I'm really excited, man. I feel so empowered. I've been watching even some more videos from Samcrac and this other guy. I'm gonna mess his name up, man. Tavarish. But at any rate, awesome stuff. This guy rebuilt a BMW Z in 4 days with a buddy of his. Pretty cool stuff. I mean, wow. This stuff is exciting. I wonder, if I'm in the wrong line of work here. I do work full time, so I got to find time to get to all of this stuff. And I'm also in grad school, so you can imagine I'm so excited to get a lot of this stuff done, but I just physically don't have enough time to do it. As you can see, here is the driver's seat area. Fully powdered up. I mean, all the white powder you can imagine from that baking soda, fully out on the carpet. I've been spraying in the osium. It seems to be working. Obviously, the car's gonna need a really good clean and a really good scrub, but hopefully I can get this remainder of stuff completed and done. I'm really excited for this thing, man. I'm really excited. This is, again, the first rebuild project that I'm doing. None of this content is sponsored. This is just straight, hey, I'm gonna give this thing a shot and see where we end up, man. Look at these beautiful tires. Look at this. I don't know about you guys, but there's something I love about tires, especially when they're brand new. Ever since back when I was in college, there was a actual distribution center in South Bend, Indiana, Tire Rack, where you can go get your tires. They have all the tires there, but you can also, get them installed on site. Boy, the smell of the tires, the squealing on the floor after a new set of tires is installed. I don't know, but for me, that is just, it's a great feeling, and the smell is fantastic. But here are my tires. Like I said, next steps, jack this baby up, grab these wheels off, throw them in the back of something, bring them to the shop, get it all done. I'm still looking for additional parts. So I've been to a couple of junkyards now. I looked online and been looking at a couple of airbags. And I was hoping to find something at the local junkyard because I believe it's going to be cheaper. But this is still something that needs to get done. Also, just annoying to me is the fact that these buttons are missing. The buttons are actually in the vehicle, but I think some of them are broken. So I may give it a shot to see if they can actually get reassembled in there, but I have a feeling that they might be busted. Also been checking out some potential head units to go in here. If anybody is on the TSX forums, you'll see discussions that talk about an Android head unit. I'm contemplating if I should put one of those in here, as this unit does not come with navigation. That will add that functionality of navigation. If you've seen in my other videos on my 08 ISF, I installed what's called the Grom V-Line unit, which adds the you could call it tablet within the OEM interface. So it works really good. It's a great way to update the functionality and feature of the vehicle, seeing that the navigations are a lot older. But I've been looking at a unit for this, and I'm thinking about it. It's probably going to cost upwards about $400 to get it, but we'll see if we're going to do this or not. You'll obviously see that information on here. But again, I'm excited to work on this thing. And, you know, I guess that's it for today. So hopefully I can find some time, get this stuff done. I really wish I could get it done like right now, but I actually have some homework that I got to go get done, and some midterms to go prepare for. So as soon as I can, I'll get some stuff posted. Until then, I'll catch you guys later.